Oh my god, this is awesome. Every kid loves Dinosaur. I don't know why. This is the perfect gift item for that your niece, your nephews. This can actually wow them. Let me show you what's inside. This is an RC dinosaur, actually a T-Rex. This gives you that thrill of not a real dinosaur, but a dinosaur that will make them, go crazy. Put in the tail. That's it. And you have to screw in the arm. Look at this. Black Friday is almost here. Use the link on this post to get yours. Like and follow this page for more tips like this. Cheers.